Hello there, foreign beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Alright, you guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing a follow-up on the products that I have been using by Zenovia, Dr. Zenovia. I got a message from a young lady on Instagram, and she asked me about a few of the products that I have used from Dr. Zenovia, and kind of like my final thoughts on them. And I was like, that's a great question. I'll do a full video on, of course, like the products that I've used, because I have a lot of them that I have been using, and just my thoughts on them, how I feel on them, and just really kind of update you guys on that and share that with you guys, because it is great to do follow-up videos on products that I have used, because I use so many products, and a lot of times they're like first impressions. I don't really tell you guys. I sometimes do, but I really don't always come back and tell you guys in its entirety. Say, let's stop. My cat. Stop it. Tell you guys about this. She has these claws, and she likes to put up my foot, and I'm like, your claws are in my foot. Like, it doesn't feel good. But yeah, so come back to you guys in the entirety and just tell you guys exactly how I feel when it comes to using these products. I do have a little bit of a surprise giveaway for you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I really don't like mentioning that in videos, because I feel like then people just stick around with the surprise, or they don't really, But anyway, so let's go ahead and let's jump into this. So I have 7 products from Zenovia that I have been using, and we're going to start off with my most favorite one. Okay, this is actually my second jar of these. Okay, and this is the Dr. Zenovia Clear Complexion Glycolic Wipes. Okay, they also have salicylic acid at 2%, and you guys know I suffer from acne, and I love glycolic acid as it's one of my favorite AHAs. I love glycolic acid when it comes to it's just the acid that I go to for my skin. It works for me. I like these because they don't dry my skin out. They're not overly harsh or anything. Like, I use them mainly at night, because I wear a full face of makeup all day, so I use it mainly at night, but I do find myself sometimes grabbing for these in the morning. They last me for quite some time, and they really do help to keep my breakouts and my skin under control, especially if I'm having a breakout moment. I definitely like to grab these and use these to tone my face with, instead of using my witch hazel if my skin needs a little bit something extra. But I love these. I will link the full video to these, because I have a full review on a lot of these products that I have here, so I'm not going to go into full detail about them. I will leave the videos that I've done in the cards above, as well as down below in the description box, so you guys go and get the in-depth review of these products. But by far, this is one of my favorite products by Dr. Zenovia. I see this in my rotation all the time. It is amazing. It is an amazing product, and I will continue to use it as my toner. Next product that we're going to talk about is the Clear Complexion Aloe Vera Blemish Soothing Moisturizer. Now, you guys, this stuff right here, I love this stuff. It is the perfect moisturizer for oily skin. It is the perfect moisturizer for acne prone skin. It's very gentle, it's very lightweight, it doesn't have a lot of it doesn't really have any scent to it. And that was a question that she asked me, was are their products fragrant, are they scented? No, a lot of the products don't have much of a scent to them. They're really gentle, just not a lot of fragrant. I don't like a lot of fragrant on my face, you guys know that. It's not at all. So I definitely like this one, definitely like to use this one on my daily basis. It really does help to calm the skin, to soothe the skin, just like it says, and it's such a great moisturizer for oily, acne prone skin. I highly suggest. Okay, and once again, the full videos that are very detailed, that I go into all of these products in depth, will be down below and in the cards. Go and check those out. Okay, the next Clear Complexion line product is the 5% benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment. Now, I've used this only a few times, and I will say I'm not too sure how I feel about this product. I will have to come back on this one. All around, you guys know I'm not a big fan of benzoyl peroxide. It doesn't do much for me, but I thought I would give this a try because it's by Dr. Zenovia, and I really like the formulation of the product. So I felt like the formulation of this may be a little bit different, and it may give me a different result than what I've had before with benzoyl peroxide. I only used it like twice. I can't really say I've seen a big difference when it came to like my breakouts with it, but I definitely will have to use it more to see how I really feel about this one. And plus, I haven't done an in-depth video on this product, so I want to use a little bit more to actually do an in-depth video on this product, so stay tuned for that. But so far, I'm gonna have to use this one a little bit more to give you guys more like information on how I feel about it. Okay, last product that I have from the Clear Complexion line is the Advanced Retinol Night Repair Treatment. Now, I love this product. One of the main things that stuck out to me a lot about this product was the actual like pump, and in the review I said that the pump here made it different, and I think it actually is better than like a squeeze top. I really like that about this, and the way that it glides on the skin, oh my goodness, I love this treatment a lot. I don't grab for it as often because once again it is a treatment, so for me I really use treatments when my skin feels like it needs it, so I don't really grab this one as much. But if my skin needs a little pick-me-up, definitely this is in the rotation of what to grab. If you need a treatment, definitely try the Clear Complexion Advanced Retinol Night Repair Treatment. And I like night repair treatments because you get to just put it on, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, rinse your skin, and your skin's like, you know, refreshed. Or it has a little bit of something extra to it. So I definitely like that about this product, especially if you have acne, scarring, and all that. Definitely give this a try. The Clear Complexion is my go-to because it does work with acne scars, and you guys know, and oils, and you guys know my skin is all about that. So if you are acne oily prone, I do highly suggest the Clear Complexion line. It is amazing at helping out with that oiliness, the acne and the scarring as well. Okay, so the next product that I have is going to be from the Essentials line, and I actually have been using this a little bit more and grabbing a little bit more for this just at nighttime specifically, because this is not really for oily skin, but this is the Peptide Ceramide Repairing Moisturizer. I think this is better for dry skin, but I like using this because it is for dry flaky skin, but I like using this at night because it just gives my skin like this boost of moisture, and it's not overly oily. Like this stuff right here, I did a full review on this product as well. Like the consistency is amazing. I love the consistency. When I wake up in the morning, my skin is so soft, so supple, and it may be a little oily, but it's fine because I wash my face and I, you know, put on my makeup, so it's nothing that really bothers me too much. But I wouldn't use this like during the day because of the oils and everything. But I really like this moisturizer, and I really do suggest this. I have a few friends who have dry skin, and I told them to definitely give this a try. I was like, try Dr. Zenovia's Essential line. Their moisturizer, hands down, is the best. So if you have dry skin, I do suggest this one for you. I don't have dry skin, but I love it as a moisturizer. Okay, the next Essentials product that I like is the Bakucho. We always have a problem with that name. Hydrating cleanser. It's this one right here. I actually really like this. I like the consistency of it. I like the fact that it doesn't leave. It's moisturizing, and I think even though I have oily skin, I will still use this. I don't use it as much as I use like my other products for oily skin, but I find myself picking this up like in between, you know, randomly, and using it because the formulation on this bad boy is so great, and my skin feels amazing after I use it. So even though I don't think the Essentials, this one's really great for like for oily skin, I use it and I love it. It's amazing. The consistency on this, and we did a full review on this, bomb. Okay. And the last product that I have from the Essential line is the Inflame Aging Night Repair Treatment. This helps reduce pore size and the appearance of redness, fine lines, and puffiness. Okay, so this is another part of the treatment line, and once again, I love the consistency of it. It has the pump here, and I mean, it's a great treatment. I don't grab for this one as much as I grab for the Clear Complexion because y'all know I got acne and stuff, but I do still feel that having anti-aging products in your rotation is also great. I think that the essential line is also great for anti-aging, because you know a lot of this is around vitamin A, C, E, hydrating, brightening the skin, you know, puffiness, the appearance of fine lines. So your girl's 33, so we always need something to combat those you know, aging factors. All right, so that's pretty much how I feel about all the current products that I'm using by Dr. Zenovia. All right, so let's go ahead and let's jump into this giveaway. So for this giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the Dr. Zenovia Hormonal Dermatology Clear Complexion Kit. And this is a acne solution system, of course. So it comes with one benzoyl peroxide acne cleanser, which I haven't tried. So whichever one of you guys get this, let me know how it is. Step 2, which is a benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment, which we talked about here. And also the step 3 aloe vera blemish and soothing moisturizer, which we also talked about here. And so it comes with, so it comes with these three products right here. And so all that you have to do to be considered for this giveaway is just comment down below which product in this collection that you are most excited to try and why, or out of everything that I talked about here, what is a product that you think you'll be interested in, from the essential line to the clear complexion line, like, and what is your skin type, like what is your skin type, and which of these products would you like to try, like what's something that caught your attention, whether it's from here or any of the products that I have talked about in this video. And I will announce the winner here on YouTube, of course, so there won't be any confusions on, you know, all of that, or you know, anything weird going on, because y'all be doing some weird things out there when it comes to giveaways. But nonetheless, I just want to get back to you guys too, because you guys support me and I really like Dr. Zenovia, and so I would love to share this with you guys, one of you lucky ones out there to definitely give this a try. So definitely join the giveaway, leave that information down below, and I will pick a lucky winner, one winner, and I will announce it here on the YT. But yes, you guys, I love Dr. Zenovia. You can also find them at Sephora if you guys are wondering. I will have all links and information to everything I talked about in this video, down to the products, my product reviews, everything of these products down below in the description box, and as well as in the icon, so you guys can check out the cards to get information or see full reviews on these products as well. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.